Learn Abacus at home. Fast calculation, fast memorization, enhance focus, concentration, and visualization. Also enhance listening skill and balance the brain. Abacus is Spanish technique. This video for age group 7 to 15. Now I am starting the video. Listen me carefully. Level 0 Introduction to Abacus. An abacus has vertical rods. Each rod has one upper bead above the bar, represents the value 5. Four lower beads below the bar. Four lower beads below the bar, where each bead represents 1. Horizontal bar in the middle is called the chuckling bar. When a bead is moved toward the bar, it is counted. When a bead is away from the bar, it is not counted. Level 1 Learning number 1 to 9. We use only one rod. Learn single digit numbers to show. Number 1 Push 1 lower beat up. Or number 2 Push 2 lower beats up. Or 3 Push 3 lower beats up. Or 4 Push 4 lower beats up. Or 5 Push down 1 upper beats. Or 6 Push down 1 upper beats and up 1 lower beats. Or 7 1 upper beats down and 2 lower beats up. Or 8 1 upper beats down, 3 lower beats up. Or 9 1 upper beats down and 4 lower beats up. Practice showing and clearing these numbers using one rod. Now I am starting level 2, understanding place value and 2-digit numbers. In abacus, each rod from right to left shows units, tens, hundred, thousands, and so on. So, the number 23 on abacus, move 2 up on 10th rod and 3 up on 1st rod. Early you can practice 11 to 99 on abacus. Today I am giving homework level 1 and 2. Learn about abacus. Number 1 to 100 on abacus and practice. It is important for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now practice. 2 beads up on 10th rod means 2 into 10 equal to 20. 3 beads up on units rod means 3 into 1 equal to 3. So 20 plus 3 equal to 23 is displayed being 2 rod on abacus. Similarly, you can practice 10 to 99 by showing numbers like 45, 67 and 89. Now I am starting level 3 simple addition. Addition means adding more beads to what is already. Example 1. Add 3 and 2. First push 3 lower beads up, then push 1 lower bead up. Now you have not any lower bead, so down the 4 lower beads and down 1 lower bead. For result 2 plus 3 is 5. Example 2. Add 7 and 4. So 7 has one upper beat down and two lower beats up. This represent 7. So for adding 4 required 4 more beats. Since unit rod cannot hold that carry to the 10th rod, the answer is 11. It is 8 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 9 plus 2, and so on. Practice increase your speed. So, it is daily half hour. Level 4 simple subtraction. Start by showing the larger number, then remove the smaller one. For example 1, subtract 2 from 5. So 5 using upper beat, then push back 2 lower beats, but you have not any lower beats up on unit rod. Now up 3 lower beats up and up upper beats. So result is 3. That is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Example 2. To subtract 7 from 10. So 1 beat on 10th rod is 10. Subtract 7 using the unit rod. Borrow if necessary. Practice 9 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 13 minus 5. Level 5 Basic Multiplication. Multiplication is represented addition. 2 into 2 means 2 plus 2. 2 into 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 3. For multiplication is addition. Add beats. Division is subtraction. Subtract beats. Know about addition and subtraction, so you can solve multiplication and division. Example 2 multiply 3 and 4. Add 3 4 times, total will be 12, which you show using a beats on the 10th place. Odd total will be 12, which you show using 1 beats on 10th place rod and 2 on unit place rod. Practice multiplication table from 2 to 9 using abacus. Level 6 Basic Division. Division is repeated subtraction. For example, to divide 12 by 3. Start with 12, subtract 3 again and again. Count now many times it happens. The answer is 4. 4 times repeated subtraction, result is 0. So, answer is 4. Now practice the following question. First, 10 divided by 5, 15 divided by 5, 10 divided by 2, 18 divided by 3, and so on. Practice daily half hour, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. More practice, more speed. Now I am starting level 7, mental abacus. Without abacus, you can solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in this level. Level is also called visualization level. Level increase your visualization, balance your brain, first memorize any content. Learn abacus for fast calculation and fast memorization. This level you visualize the abacus. Use your eyes and analyze the abacus. Close your eyes and imagine the abacus. Now try doing calculation by mentally doing beats. For example, visualize 6 as 5 upper beats down and 1 lower beats up. So subtract 2, visualize removing 2 upper beats. Is some small addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in mind. Up the lower beats or down the lower beats, down the upper beats or up the upper beats. So visualize the each rod abacus and see the lower beats, upper beats and answer bar. You will visualize the abacus, boost your visualization and activate your photography memory. After photography memory activation, you can first memorize like 10 times or 20 times, depend on your practice. Mentally solve 3 plus 5 plus 2. Try 9 minus 3 minus 2. More practice for increase speed gradually and solve the more problem without abacus mind. Increase calculation and memorization. Daily solve 100 plus minus into divide in mind. Level 8 double digit mental abacus advanced visualization. This level will solve addition, subtraction, multiplication 2 or 3 digits. Start by mentally dividing rods in 2 units, tens and hundred. This visualization, imagination of its movement, solving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Practice daily half hour and solve 100 or more problem. I am Arvind Kumar Singh from Brain Booster School, Varanasi. I am brain trainer, career counselor, mathematician, dietitian, abacus, Vedic mathematics and NLP trainer. In BBS BIMS, Varanasi for physical development, mental development, social development, and physical developments and spiritual development. Thank you.